World Cup, badminton. How is that going to relate to property investment? If you look into the Google trend, all we see is that most of the searches are actually related to footballs, badminton, and all this, like, still it's a badminton. Yeah, only one is about the OPR. But one thing that most people didn't know is that when most people actually looking for all these sports, all this trendy stuff, investors are actually working behind the scene to get the best deal out there. Now, let me show you this. Earlier this year, a lot of people flocking in, pushing up the price, and subsequently it's quiet down. Okay, this is where all the investors are actually the best time to buy, is that when nobody is actually looking and a lot of people just focusing on the election, a lot of people focusing on the World Cup, and this is how we get most of the good deals